If you're trying to create online forms, surveys, quizzes, registrations, or lead capture pages, you probably heard of Google Forms. It's one of the most popular form builders available today. But there's another platform that's been getting attention lately, Get Formly. So which one should you choose? In this video, we'll compare both platforms, look at what each one offers, and help you decide which one is the better fit for your needs. If you want to check out Get Formula for yourself, you find the link in the description below. Let's get started. Let's begin with Google Forms. Google Forms has been around for years, and one of its biggest advantages is that it's free to use with a Google account. Creating a form is simple. You can add multiple choice questions, text boxes, checks boxes, wrap-downs, file uploads, and even quizzes. Since it's part of Google's ecosystem, it also connects well with Google Sheets, making it easy to collect and organize responses for schools, classrooms, quick surveys, and basic feedback forms. Google Forms gets the job done. It's reliable, easy to learn, and doesn't require any technical experience. However, that's also where many people start running into limitations. The customization options are fairly limited compared to more modern form builders. While you can change colors and add a header image, creating a truly branded or professional looking form is not always easy. Advanced workflows, modern design options, and premium features often require additional tools or integrations. Businesses that want more control over branding, user experience, or automation may eventually outgrow what Google Forms offers. So while Google Forms is still a solid choice for simple projects, many creators and businesses eventually start looking for something with more flexibility. And that's where Get Formly comes in. Get Formly is designed for people who want more than just a basic online form. Instead of focusing only on collecting responses, Get Formly aims to help you build forms that look professional, provide a smoother experience for users, and fit naturally into your website or business. One of the first things you'll notice is the design. Forms created with Get Formly have a modern appearance that can help leave a longer, stronger impression on visitors. If branding matters to you, having forms that match your website can make a real difference. Another advantage is flexibility. Whether you're creating contact forms, registration forms, customer feedback surveys, application forms, lead generation pages, or questionnaires, GetFormly is built with a variety of use cases in mind. The platform is also designed to make the form building process straightforward. Instead of spending time trying to work around limitations, you can focus on building exactly what you need. For creators, freelancers, and agencies and businesses, that extra flexibility can save time while producing a more polished result. Another area where GetFormly shines is user experience. The cleaner layouts and modern interface can make forms feel more engaging, which may encourage visitors to complete them instead of abandoning them halfway through. If you're collecting leads, customer information, or business inquiries, having forms that are both attractive and easy to use can make a positive impression. As your project grows, having a platform that's designed with flexibility in mind can also help you avoid switching tools later. That's one reason many users choose GetFormly when they want more than the basics. Of course, every platform has its strengths. If your goal is simply creating a quick classroom quiz or collecting a few responses for free, Google Forms remains a practical option. But if you're looking for a polished, modern form builder with greater flexibility and a stronger focus on presentation, GetFormly is definitely worth considering. For many creators and businesses, that additional flexibility and professional appearance make it the platform they prefer. So which one is better? If you only need a simple, no-cost form for basic use, Google Forms is still a dependable choice. But if you want forms that look more professional, offer greater flexibility, and are built with creators and businesses in mind, GetFormly stands out as a compelling option. If you'd like to learn more or try it yourself, be sure to check out the GetFormly link in the description below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons, and I'll see you in the next video.